This is the Orlando everybody knows. But leave the tourist crowds behind and things get a little more interesting. A local recommendation sent us to Oviedo, Florida, just outside of Orlando, to a place we'd never heard of. We thought we were just going for lunch. We were wrong. And somehow, a sandwich called the Godfather wasn't even our biggest surprise. Because before we left, something happened we absolutely never saw coming.
The open road is calling us. Every sunrise starts anew. Every mile's another story. Every dream is coming true.
Side by side we'll chase tomorrow. Every turn reveals something new.
RV Cavalry, let's ride. Adventure is our guide. Every road, every view,
A new journey waits for you.
RV Cavalry, come along where every mile becomes our song.
Today we're in Oviedo, Florida, just outside of Orlando at Nikko and Sons Italian Market and Bakery. This was highly recommended to us, so let's get inside and take a look.
Coffee-filled candy.
Ooh, love it.
That'd be good to take home, maybe.
Oh, wow. That looks good.
So,
You got it. Yeah, that was great.
and this was another surprise we definitely weren't expecting. We got to meet Nikko Gomez from Food on the Spectrum. Nikko checks out restaurants, food trucks, and hidden gems all around Central Florida, sharing some great places to eat along the way. So if you're traveling through the Orlando area and looking for somewhere good to eat, check out Food on the Spectrum and give Nikko a follow. You might just find your next hidden gem.
On all socials, on TikTok and Instagram, Food on the Spectrum. You're not going to miss a single thing here in Central Florida.
Awesome. Thank you.
Is that what I do? Tiramisu and Bavaria.
Ooh, that looks good. Yeah, very nice. Thanks.
So freaking good.
This is.
This kind of Romano cheese, this one, or that one.
Well, considering there's a lot of those left, I would probably go with this one. Since it's the last one. Premium coffee soda. Huh, interesting.
So Jimmy said you needed to try one of these.
But on what?
Called a lobster tail.
Yeah. So it's supposed to be good?
According to Jimmy.
It's the cannoli, but a lot of people like the Bavarian.
Okay. Let me try the Bavarian.
Anything else?
A tiramisu, please. No, that should do it.
Not yet. I said not yet.
Say Diamico?
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
All right, what's a good name?
Lauren.
Lauren. Alrighty. Oh yeah, Lauren's ready.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Lauren?
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Thank you. So you got a little place to eat out here, which not a lot of people out here because it's so damn hot. But we're gonna eat our sandwiches and grin and bear it. Okay, so this is my Godfather sandwich. You got the caprese.
Yeah.
So looks pretty good. Want to take the first bites? Thoughts?
The balsamic vinegar is good. It's good.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to do this. I got the this coffee soda. Unfortunately, when I opened it up, it just kind of skyrocketed on me, but it is good. So,
All right, Godfather.
yeah, let's try it. That's good. If we do that again, I have to make sure not to let the drink shake up in the cart. That's a good sandwich. Like an Italian sandwich, but very, very good. 1,000 times better than the other place that we got the Italian from. Not Mazzaro's, that one up close to the campground. So, but very good.
Okay.
Right. What you got there?
A mini cannoli with the chocolate chips. I'm not a big fan of the pistachio stuff.
Oh,
I think that's like the original version. I like pistachios, but I don't like it on the cannoli.
that's like pistachio ice cream and stuff like that.
Never had it. Pistachio pudding.
Yeah, I'm not a
Never
big
had that
fan. I love pistachios though.
either. Mhm.
Good?
Right.
Nah.
It's supposed to be half of it.
I'm not a big sweets person.
You're not a big sweets person.
Nope.
What the hell am I gonna do with all this stuff I bought?
That's all for you.
Oh no. I got the lobster tail for you.
Oh. Well, let's see what you got, I guess.
I can't take it out. I guess I can. Hold on. Alright, so we got my all-time fave tiramisu. And then recommendation. But this is just a hot mess.
Oh, that's
A
not
lobster tail. And then, for more sweets, snack size
What is it?
cannoli.
Oh, cool. And then you got
Amaretto little cookies. Hopefully they're like the softer ones.
yeah.
Alfredo sauce, I'm not going to take that out.
You got Alfredo sauce, and what's wrapped up in
My
here?
half a sandwich.
Oh, your half a sandwich.
And then we got this
And
candy
the-
because I wanted to try the coffee candy, but it had like all the other stuff, so I
Those
just
I'll
got
try.
that instead.
Okay.
And then got a little jar of salted capers.
Oh, those are. I like
I'm
those.
hoping those are good. Like
Yeah,
the
those are
other ones.
always good. And I'm not a big fan of capers, but I do like
Free
those.
pasta to try.
All right.
So,
Those are the gluten-free ones.
yeah.
All right. Cool.
So that's that.
All right. And it was too hot to sit out there, so we moved it indoors and for the car
I feel
in
like
the parking lot. So what you opening first? Oh, we got some cheese too, by the way.
Soft amaretti with citrus. So amaretto cookies.
All right.
Ooh, they're soft.
They're soft.
Okay, so that's that. Now we have our assortment of hard candies. A cappuccino.
Oh, I want one of those.
The cappuccino.
The cappuccino.
You try the cappuccino. Can I lick it and then give it to you?
No, absolutely not. I have no idea what that mouth has been. Get that out of your nose.
I'm not putting it in my nose. I'm just
It's too
trying
close.
to smell it.
I don't want any. You better not have licked that. That was not bad.
Oh, you know what we should have done? We should have like flavored it for a little bit. So switch. Just
No.
and then we can try. We don't have to eat 2 candies. The coffee one's good.
All right. What did you think of? What's her name again?
It's right there on the wall. The Amico and Sons.
The Amico and Sons.
Market and Bakery.
Mhm.
It's cool. Like they had, we got the Alfredo. They had homemade sauces, homemade soups.
Mhm.
They had some homemade ravioli. I was looking for like the spinach ricotta kind of that you can find at the grocery stores. They didn't have it. They had some other. Sorry, it's hot. My head is sweating. They had some other flavored stuff that I wasn't quite. Maybe the butternut squash ones might have been okay, but all the other stuff wasn't quite tickling my fancy.
Yeah. Really neat place.
It's hot in there though.
Well, that's so many people coming in and out.
Wow.
I mean, it was pretty crowded.
It was toasty in there.
Yeah. I will say that I couldn't complete my sandwich. The sandwich was huge.
Yeah, and I
And
saw
I can eat.
somewhere it said that, you should share, but unfortunately, Bob doesn't like the sandwiches I get, and I don't like the sandwiches he gets. There we go. We get 2 sandwiches, but I have half of mine to take home.
Yeah.
I
gotta
try
have
to eat all mine.
Yeah. So basically, I got the Godfather, and it's a really good
Ooh,
Italian.
there's here.
Huh?
There's stuff in there.
All right, we got to keep this G-rated. But it was really, really good. But I can eat, but the sandwich was huge. I couldn't finish it. So, but mine was very good. Lauren got the Caprese.
Tried a Saratoga water for the first time. Yeah, I can say that I tried it, but I don't know what the
Water's water.
to do is.
All right, just in my
It was
opinion.
sparkling water or whatever,
Yeah.
but
So
it was
anyway, we want to thank Food on the Spectrum. They're on Instagram
TikTok.
and TikTok. That was a lot of fun with them. He did a video, he said, that went viral of D'Amico's. So check that out as well. We'll put some links. I'm going to put some links in there for them. And that's really, they do a lot of, apparently they do a lot of this stuff in Orlando. So
Yeah,
that's kind of fun.
Another place downtown.
Yes.
Starts with an S.
Yeah,
Google
SEPTA
it.
or something like that. We'll have to Google it. He told me a couple of times. I can't remember anything, but they were a lot of fun. Just like I said, a shout out to them. Thank you. It was great meeting them
you.
and
Mhm.
everything. It was a lot of fun. And then we also this morning hit 499 subscribers. Just one more. I mean, I know 500 subscribers is nothing, but for us, that's a milestone. So we're really happy about that. And thank you all. Thank you for all the comments. I have a lot of fun with those. Some of them are really funny. I'm not gonna lie. Some of those are great. So that's a lot of fun going back and forth. So I really appreciate it. So thank you all for everything. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe. We do appreciate it. We need that one more subscriber to hit that milestone. And I think we're going to have an adult beverage when that happens. Thank you, everybody. We're going to buzz out and head back to the campground. So thank you all.
Bye.
Bye.